Okay, so this is a 2004 Toyota Corolla. So it looks like try to start the car and it won't start. So what could be the problem? Most likely could be the starter. So we're gonna check if power is getting to the starter. Let's see, where's the starter? It's over here. This one over here. So it's better like if you remove the fan. It's easy. It only has one 110 millimeter bolt, and there's another one on this side right here. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a power probe. But you could use a regular test light. So this is the power probe I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna check if the big one has power, and as you can see, it does have power. I got 12.7 volts over here. But the one I need to check is the little one, the connector. This connector over here. This one. This little guy is the one that I need to check if I'm getting power, but somebody needs to crank it. Okay, so this is the connector. So when you crank it, this one needs to have power. And if I got power over here, then that means that the starter is no good. All right, go. Again? All right. One more time. Okay, thank you. Yeah, the problem is right here, the starter. As you can see, I got power over here on this one. And this one also has power over here. This one over 2004 Toyota. So we will be replacing the starter. So let's put this baby over here. Get the other one out of here. So put this one first. All right, so let's see. There you go. Okay, so this is what you need for this job. Ratchet, 14 millimeter extension with the 12 millimeter, a 10 millimeter pocket screwdriver, electric tape to cover the that cable that I show you.